I am a fashion designer, a writer, and an artist, and I've been working in the garment industry for the past 10 years. Where is Sheila? And I witnessed how fast fashion contributes to pollution and to the unfair treatment of factory workers. And I wanted to make a positive difference using my talent. That's why I created my social enterprise called Jade Story. We empower different women artisans in the Philippines, and I repurpose textile waste, turning them into garments and home decors, such as my friend here who has the Pride Colors logo. So I have been selected to represent our country in different international exchange programs like OECD, the ASEAN Youth Fellows, and this year I'll be going to Germany to represent the country as a cross-culture program fellow. So, I'm really excited. In every sense of the word. So what I've been doing is to really use those platforms to push for our advocacies of empowering women communities here to promote economic empowerment through social enterprises and to create positive change through sustainable fashion. So how do I celebrate? I actually wrote an article for Globe Magazine advocating for LGBT community, how to support the community all year round, apart from Pride myself. That's what I do. Thank you.